What's going on, Chemical Guys family? Today in the Detail Garage, we're continuing with the detailing series on this BMW 328i. And we're moving on to the engine bay where you see there's a ton of dirt and grease that has built up over time. And we're going to show you one quick and easy way to remove all that, as well as to enhance it. So now there's a few things to keep in mind before you detail any kind of engine bay, and the first is that one, the vehicle is shut off and it's also been sitting for a while so that the engine is nice and cool to the touch. This car has been inside the detail garage for a while, so it's cooled off, plenty of time for us to actually start working. And now we're going to start by using Nonsense, which is an all-purpose cleaner which is safe for your painted surfaces, your plastics, your rubber hoses, anything that's on the inside of the engine bay. And this is going to help lift off that grease and grime that builds up, and it collects all that dirt. And this is the best way to just revive your engine bay, get rid of all that grease and filth. And it's safe for any electronic components, so you simply just spray a light mist over it. We're going to give that a second to dwell, and then to help us agitate the cleaner, I'll just grab a boar's hair detailing brush. This is great for getting those intricate areas. You see there's a lot of components in here. This is going to be just the easiest way to get around rather than using a larger brush or a towel. Spray the brush as well. And we're going to start here on the valve cover and just start working the cleaner back and forth to agitate it. And that foaming action helps to safely lift off stubborn grease and grime, any kind of oil and messes. You can get it on your hoses to prep those for new kinds of dressings and protectants. Clean away years of grease and filth. And then periodically we'll just grab our clean microfiber towel and start wiping away any of the excess, all that spent product. And if you're working in a really cramped engine bay, which a lot of modern vehicles have, you can just simply take a clean microfiber towel and we'll just spray a fine mist of Nonsense onto the towel. And you can use this to work into the hard to reach areas, all the way to the back of the valve cover. So we just finished cleaning and drying the engine bay on this BMW, and now we want to protect it. Now this week you may have seen that we released a brand new product, HydroShield. This is a ceramic coating designed for your vinyl, rubber, and plastic, and this is going to enhance that deep gloss while also giving you that same protection of a ceramic coating, which means you're going to get that water beading and also repel your dust to keep your engine bay, as well as your interior and exterior vinyl, rubber, and plastic looking cleaner for longer. Now it's really simple to apply. All you do is simply shake up the bottle, and we're going to be using one of our Monster Fluff applicator pads. Just spray a fine mist onto the applicator and then just start applying it to all of your vinyl, rubber, and plastic pieces. We'll show you right here on the top valence. It easily spreads out. There's no runniness or a greasy feel. And we'll just give that a moment to bond, and we can always come back and wipe off any excess. And as I mentioned, you can use this on any kind of vinyl, rubber, and plastic, whether it's your engine bay, your interior, use it on your valve cover. Look how it already restores a nice deep gloss finish. And this is going to help repel any of that dust that was clinging to the surface before. And this is going to make it easier to clean, while also keeping it cleaner for longer. You can also use it on your hoses to revive an OEM finish. Just give it a moment to bond, and then come back with a clean microfiber towel and wipe off any excess. After giving HydroShield a moment to bond to the surface, we're just going to take a clean microfiber towel and wipe off any of the excess. Very easy to use to revive that OEM finish, but more importantly, it's protecting it against harsh elements such as UV rays, water spots, and dirt that stain it and cause fading over time. Well guys, as you can see, HydroShield did an amazing job of not only enhancing that OEM finish, but also protecting the vinyl, rubber, and plastic components in this engine bay. If you're looking for more of a glossier finish, feel free to follow up with your favorite dressing. Now also you saw that we used two products today, Nonsense being our primary cleaner to gently remove any kind of grease and grime from the engine bay, and then following up with HydroShield, which as you see, gives you that lustrous finish. Now you can check out these products on our website, chemicalguys.com, or your local detail garage. If you guys liked today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to drop your comments down below, and we'll see you guys next time. All right guys, as a bonus, and what makes detailing so much fun, we're gonna go get the owner and catch his reaction. Let's go get him.
This is crazy. That's my damn, man. This looks like brand new. It looks fantastic. I was almost gonna curse, but it looks crazy. Oh my God. Looks like a brand new engine in here. Crazy. And I had all these coolant stains all right here too, because my coolant busted. It looks incredible.